Hey guys, doing another shower valve tub shower. This is obviously with the tub spout there, it's a tub shower valve. I don't know if you can see me or not, but I ain't got the GoPro set up for this yet, so maybe I'll get it done one day. We're gonna solder this bad boy up. Get on it. Make sure you always solder right next to your gas tank on your truck. It's always a smart idea. Good and hot. Tight spaces. Okay, now I think we're done. Everybody looks happy. Happy, happy, happy. Happy, happy, happy. Ooh. It ain't like that day. Just gonna hit that one more little time. Just so I get happy on it. Okay. Happy, happy, happy. Here we go, guys. So don't grab it after soldering because it's hot. And I don't mean hot like your grandma. I mean hot like I burn your skin off hot. Hold it good and tight so you don't drop your nice pretty craftsmanship there, especially not on your hand because it sucks when you get burnt. Looks good, looks good. Got to clean it up. All right, guys. Peace.